good side, the not good side. Good. Hi everyone, I'm Essie Happily, and you all, I am clearance shopping. Now, I'm at a Lowe's that does not take care of their plants. I don't know a nicer way to really say it, but I come here when I have a large budget because I know plants are going to look literally the worst. But it's always worth it because this Lowe's has the most expensive plants that you're going to find always on clearance. My Lowe's do not. So this is my topiary hunt, and here we have a Carolina sapphire. My Lowe's will never. Not that it is expensive, they just don't even have this variety. Prune up. But, okay. We have, of course, the Eugenia topiaries that you have to bring in. And when I get home, I'll show you all. But down here, look at this. That's an emerald holly that can be pruned up. This is another holly, $59, half off. Down here, I have some other shrub, roses. And I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to have to stack my carts like that. I already have 2 carts. That's cart number 1 and cart number 2. Oh, help me somebody. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. But my Lowe's did not participate in the 50% off that everyone was talking about. So I had to come over here to my distressed Lowe's. That's what I call this Lowe's, everyone. My distressed Lowe's. Oh, Lordy, let me look and see if we have any hardy hibiscus. Because if these hibiscus are hardy, they're coming home with me too. These leaves just need to be taken off and started over. Oh, they have even more. Look at them. See if y'all can see the inside of this. It gets a pretty red. It's red in there. There we go. These are hardy. Let's see if they marked them out. Okay, they marked them red on here. So I'll have to get some of these also. I need another cart. I need another cart. My total, we're not even going to think about what my total is going to be. And now I'm just going around. Those are all the succulents. Oh, here's the lantanas. So if I wanted to do a border of lantanas, I think I'm going to consider doing that for color in my new border around my driveway. So here you can get several plants, and then like house plants. Oh gosh, all I can say, if you come to certain neighborhoods, this is the proven winner's lantana. I'm very sure the Blew My Mind and the Luxurious Royal Pina Colada lantana. I like these. So I'll get that. What else do they have? This is a perennial. A phlox. Yeah, our phloxes does not make it to my clearance rack. I'll get that. So pretty much I come here and buy all the things that I've been eyeing at my Lowe's. Another phlox that's in great shape. All the things I've been eyeing that I do not want to pay full price, I just come on over here. And my tip is to always come after the rain, because plants will be showing sign of damage. This is a coreopsis. I'm going to pass on a coreopsis. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to see more than one. And this year I am shopping for items that I can have more than one of. Here's another phlox. Wait. Another hibiscus. That's over here. Man, this speedwell will have to, oh, you would have to prune all of that up. Oh, another grass. See, grasses, we didn't have any grasses on sale over in my Lowe's, which, ouch, that hurt. Which grass is this? This is the main grass. I'll get that. It looks good. That grass looks really good. Impatiens. Oh, here's my babies. I love these speedwells, y'all. Now these speedwells look really good. Yeah, I'm probably going to get all 3 of those. I even have 2 at home. I already know these are verbenias. You don't even have to look at those. I'm not doing any more verbenias this year. This must be some Angelonia. Yep, Lantana, Scavolias. I love this one. I'll get that. Yeah, so when you clearance shop, you get really used to these plants and what comes inside of them. I haven't seen this one. Lobelia. Here's another phlox. So I'll get more than one of these. Yeah, and there's just so many plants I'll need. Okay, so here's the bee balms. The bee balms are only annual, so in my zone, I'll rather get the phlox than there's a perennial bee balm. So I'd rather get these, and I can do a whole drift of those because they have several. They have all of these. So this Lowe's is really good if you wanted to do a drift. I just cannot believe it, y'all. I just can't believe it. Look at all the roses. All of the roses. Some salvias. If you just want to pop those in. Hedge. Of course, the butterfly bush. More cone flowers that can be grown from seed. But yeah, I'm just going to rack up on the bee balms there. So I'll get several of these. And y'all, when I get home, oh, I should do 2 grasses. Yeah, I'm going to do 2 grasses. Found another one. Here we have it. So now I'm going to have to get another cart. Place all this on a cart, and I'll show y'all what I have when I get home. See, and my friend, I told him, stop at Lowe's. Now he done let me come over here, and now I took all the topiaries. I tried to tell him. And now I'll have many topiary to do when I go home. These topiary are $22, so I'll tell my friend to come up here and pick these up. I'll leave them for him. Shade tree. Oh, now these abelias. Oh my gosh, they're half off. But dog, do I want to pay $23 for them? Y'all, this is a hard decision. There's two that looks really good.